Did you just watch the America's Cup races and wonder how does this foiling stuff work? Where are the differences to non-foiling sailing? Are you a sailor yourself, want to start foiling and have no idea how? Or are you just interested in sailing in general and want to understand the whole foiling topic a bit more? Well, after this video most of your questions will be answered. And if there are still some questions left, just leave a comment down below.
Hi, my name is Daniel, and for the last 7 years I competed in the Olympic multi-hull class, the Nacra 17. On this channel I want to share all my knowledge about sailing with you. This time I want to talk about the basic different foiling modes. So let's get started. Foiling modes. I know that many of you came to this channel because I sail in Nacra 17, and most of the time I sail with the boat and not the other way around. Most of you are sailors yourself, and the chances are high that you sail a catamaran like an F18, F16 or even a Nacra 17. So obviously videos about catamarans and foiling are often requested from your side. So here it is.
I think it's best to split this topic into 3 parts. In today's video I want to share with you some of my thoughts about foiling in general. There will be more in-depth video about each foiling mode in the future. I will link them in the description down below. Of course, if you have any question you can leave a comment. And please also consider subscribing so you don't miss part 2 and 3.
As I've said, this time I want to talk about the basic modes of foiling. I often felt that foiling adds a whole new dimension to sailing. It's not just faster or just more extreme. There is more to it. When I think about it, I think it's the fact that the boat has more to offer. There is always that next level of insane speed and thrill. Well, at least in most conditions, but you know what I mean. So the difference to most other boats is that you have to choose the amount of speed that you can handle. It's all about risk management and the constant battle for control. The interesting part of it is that faster ain't always more unstable. But do you dare to foil in high mode, in 25 knots and in 2 meters of chop? If so, congratulations, you're at least one of the current top 10 teams in the Nacra 17 class, and I wish you good luck for the games in Tokyo. For all others, including myself, we have to adjust the foiling mode to the current conditions, our skill level and the individual risk awareness. We can't always foil in high mode, close our eyes and hope for the best. Because if something goes wrong at full speed, things go wrong very fast and there is always a good chance that you get hurt. Unfortunately, on a foiling boat, even the best sailors experience this. There is no skill level that can save you. Injury rate is high when you start foiling, and it stays high even if you are in the gold fleet. That's different to other catamarans. When the non-foiling Nacra 17 became an Olympic class back in 2012, there were lots of injuries. But when the teams found a way how to handle the boat, injuries were hardly seen anymore. even in survival conditions above 30 knots. We all expected the same thing to happen when we changed to fully foiling back in 2016, but well, not gonna happen. Basic foiling modes. The first mode is called displacement mode, meaning that the boat sails very similar to a normal catamaran with stagger boards, for example, an F-18. The next mode is the skimming or semi-foiling mode. That can mean that you just set the foils to keep the bows out of the water, or it can mean that you reduce drag on upwind legs, or it can mean that you are almost foiling but prevent the boat from fully foiling. Obviously, the next mode is fully foiling, but I like to differentiate at least two full foiling modes: the safe mode and the high full speed mode. When you are fully foiling, the boat flies above the water. Only the dagger boards and rudders are in contact with the water. And that's all we have time for today, as foiling modes is a quite complex topic which includes many different factors. We will cover it in 3 videos, so we have enough time to discover each aspect of it. I hope you now have a better understanding of the problems connected with foiling, especially risk management, and a rough understanding about the different foiling modes. If you are interested in more details, such as how to achieve different foiling modes and how to find the correct settings, stay tuned for my next video. There I will cover each mode individually. Always enjoy sailing and see you in the next video.